What if I told you we're closer to real-life X-Men than ever before? Imagine having the powers of Professor X, moving things with your mind, communicating telepathically, or seeing the world without using your eyes. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, not for long. Elon Musk's company, Neuralink, is building the technology that could make this a reality. A tiny brain chip that might transform your mind into a superpower. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Truths of Thrones. Let's learn about Neuralink together. Think of your brain like a computer. Every thought, feeling, and memory is just an electrical signal. Neuralink is trying to hack that system by installing a device in your head that can read and even write those signals. It's like installing Wi-Fi in your brain. The chip is the size of a coin, and it's implanted under your skull. From it, thousands of tiny threads go into your brain, each thinner than a human hair. These threads read your brain's activity and turn it into data. Eventually, it could send information into your brain too. If you've seen The Matrix, it's basically like plugging in and instantly learning Kung Fu. Except this time, it's not just a movie idea. Now here's the wild part. Neuralink isn't just for fun. It has serious medical goals. Imagine someone who's completely paralyzed, unable to move, speak, or interact. With Neuralink, they could control a computer, write an email, or play a video game just by thinking. It's already been tested in animals, like a monkey playing Pong with its mind. And in early 2024, Neuralink implanted the chip in its first human subject. But it goes further. Elon Musk believes Neuralink could one day restore eyesight, even for people born blind. It might cure depression, treat epilepsy, or regulate brain chemicals in real time, like having a mental health dial. You could even store your memories, like in Black Mirror, or learn a new language by downloading it, like Neo in The Matrix. One day, you might send a message to a friend without typing or talking. Just think it, and they'll hear it. Telepathy for real. But hang on, with great power comes seriously creepy questions. First, the tech sounds cool, but it requires brain surgery. Neuralink says their robot can handle it with extreme precision, no general anesthesia. Still, you're letting a machine drill into your skull. Second, privacy. If Neuralink can read your thoughts, could someone else access them? Imagine a future like Minority Report, where your brain is scanned for pre-crimes, or Black Mirror, where your memories are recorded and maybe even used against you. Could ads be based on your actual emotions? Could employers track your stress levels? Could governments know what you're thinking before you say it? And what if only the rich could afford it? Are we talking about a world where the wealthy become superhuman, while the rest fall behind? This isn't just tech. This is the future of humanity, and it's getting real fast. Elon Musk says Neuralink is our best shot at staying relevant in a world run by AI. He envisions a future where humans and machines merge, a digital symbiosis. But most scientists are cautious. They say the technology is fascinating, but still experimental. Success in monkeys doesn't mean it'll work in people. Not yet. Some call Musk a visionary. Others say he's pushing too far, too fast, without enough testing or regulation. Governments are watching closely. Neuralink just got FDA approval for limited human trials. But many experts say we need strong ethical laws before this tech becomes mainstream. We've seen this in movies for decades. Iron Man, XMen, Ghost in the Shell, The Matrix. Superhumans, connected minds, brain-computer fusion. But what if it's no longer just entertainment? What if it's our next operating system? Neuralink might help millions. Or it could open doors we're not ready to walk through. So, here's the big question. If you had the chance to install a chip in your brain, would you do it? Let us know in the comments. Would you become a real-life cyborg if it meant leveling up your mind? And if this blew your mind even just a little, hit that like button, subscribe, and join us for more mind-bending tech.